Hi guys, welcome. Tracy here from the Sewing Channel. I have the perfect pattern today to make that hospital mask. It meets all criteria, guys. It's taken me hours to come up with the right pattern for what the hospital wants. Now, I've seen other tutorials. I know what they are. I have a mask tutorial already myself for personal protective gear for yourself. But this is for the hospital care workers. So it's a bit different. They have a certain criteria they want met, okay? One of the criterias of the hospitals is they need it to be two different colors. Now the reason why they need it to be two different colors is because they need to know which side is dirty and which side is not. The side closest to their face is the clean side. This side is the dirty side, okay? They also need a pocket. They need to be able to put a filter inside and take it out, throw it away, and put a fresh filter in. The other thing that they need to get as close as you can around the face. Okay, now that is very important. Now, at first with my prototypes, I was just using pipe cleaners and wires and trying to shut that, and my glasses were still fogging up. I've got it, guys. This is what we need to do to stop the glasses from fogging up. What you're going to do is going to get your little foam. It's like a 1/4 inch foam. It is fusible, but we're not going to fuse it to anything, okay? So we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we're going to attach it to this, make a pocket, put it up in there. Put the foam side closest to the nose with the pipe cleaner on the outside, but everything will be hidden inside. Oh my word, guys. Perfect seal. I'm telling you, this is the one. So I have the pattern. Go ahead and click it down below and we'll get started. Okay, now you're going to pay special close attention to the fold on the pattern piece, and you're going to fold your fabric, and you're going to make sure that your pattern pieces, where it says fold, that is where you're going to lay your pattern piece down. Okay guys, what you're going to do here is take the inside lining part, pretty side, and that little tiny piece of the inside, and you're going to fold those back about 1/4 to 1/2 inch each, doubled, folded back to the wrong sides of the fabric, and press those down. And then you're going to stitch across that. Just a straight stitch is fine. So here what you're going to do is just lay those two pieces together, right side up, so that you can see how it's going to be constructed. You could even lay the front panel on top of it just to make sure that you have them sitting in the right spot. And you're going to go ahead and pin those. Now what you're going to do is take the outside piece and sew right up around that curved edge, and you're going to continue around that curved edge even over the part that's folded, and then you are going to do that to the inside one as well next. Now take the inner liner piece that has the little pocket piece with it, and with the pin still in it, you're going to go ahead and fold it right sides together and sew around that curved part for the inner liner piece. Now you're going to put it together, right sides together, like a little bowl. Nest them right together. Now just sew all around the entire mask. It reminds me of an envelope pillow actually, and it's the same exact concept. So when we turn it inside out, we'll turn it inside out through that little pocket, and it comes out perfectly. going to just turn your mask right side out and press it real good. Okay, now you're just going to take the ends of the mask and you're going to just slightly fold them in. And we have really tiny, tiny elastic that's going to go in there and it'll be perfect. Okay, here you're going to take the 1/4 inch foam and you're going to take the pipe cleaner. Now just take the pipe cleaner and fold the pipe cleaner in half and then lay it on top of the foam. And you're going to zigzag, use a really big zigzag all the way down. And then we are going to insert that into the top of the nose of our mask. After you get the foam and the pipe cleaner inside by the nose area toward the face, the foam part goes toward the face, then you're going to just take a few stitches right alongside there so that it ensures that it does not slip out. Now take your elastic and lay it right inside the fold of the ends, and then you're going to stitch right along down the side there, but you are not going to stitch on the elastic, okay? Now just tie the ends very loosely because this is where it becomes adjustable and they will be able to adjust it on their ears as they see fit. That's it, a perfect hospital mask for the heroes on the front line.